Oh no, why isn't this opening? Did my lock just stop working? I don't even understand what went wrong. Hey, I think something's wrong with my lock. I'm completely stuck outside.
You should call Onyx Locksmith. They're fast and handle emergencies professionally.
Onyx Locksmith? Okay, I'll call them right now. Hi, I'm locked out of my house. I need emergency help.
Don't worry, ma'am. We're sending an emergency technician right away.
Thank you so much. I was really stressed.
We'll have this fixed in just a few minutes.
It's open. That was so fast.
We've upgraded your lock for better security and style.
It looks so modern. Now I feel completely safe.
This was the best decision.
Thank you, Onyx Locksmith. You truly saved my day.
We're always here for your emergency needs.
Now I feel safe, secure, and stress-free.
For fast and reliable emergency locksmith services, call Onyx Locksmith.